Step 1. Open your web browser and go to www.switchidea.com. Step 2. On the top right corner, find the Login option and click on it. Step 3. A login pop-up window will appear. Fill in your credentials and click on Login. Step 4. Now you will see the employer dashboard. Click on the Post Internship link. Now you will see the internship posting page. Step 5. On this page, you will be required to fill the details regarding the internship. Fill in the details such as title, category, location, stipend. Scroll down to see the intern responsibilities section and other important fields. Provide the job description, application start and end dates, skills and other details. Once done, click on the Submit button. Your internship will be sent for approval.